So what do you look for when you lift?
Just make sure it's on the subframe and not on anything that'll break. You know, make sure the wheels are off the ground at least, so you know it's high enough. Just gotta be able to get under there. Then let's get ready. The oil change. Not high enough, so we gotta keep going. At this point, I'm just praying that I got a good spot. Okay. I hate to say that, but like, I couldn't really tell if that was my jacking point or not because of all the...
Like a good spot from where to lift it?
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure it is, but I'm hoping that I got a good contact.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not just like... We'll see right now when I go on these. This is the scary part. Just gonna do everything with this 3/8 impact. My best friend. I'm not gonna judge you for anything. So I guess I should be showing what I'm doing under here. It's already a 20-minute video. Took all of these off. And the screws. I didn't have all the tools I needed, but I had the tools I could work with. Get the little metal tray off. And just gotta get to the oil drain and the filter. Oh, there's an oil leak down here. It looks like, or they didn't clean it up. This is difficult as hell. Yeah, I know what I did wrong. Okay, so just in case you don't know how to put oil in, you take this off. I like to use a funnel, and you just stick it in there, pour oil in. 4.5 quarts for a Honda Civic. Well, 2016 and up. And now we'll check all the other fluids. Transmission. Oh, it's not a dipstick. Well, I thought it was a dipstick. It's just a fill plug. I can't even see any fluids in there, so checking that one. Coolant. Full and colorful. It's a bold color still. Oh, my flashlight's dead. Okay, so make sure you have the keys. You press it twice. Make sure all the lights come on. And then you press the I right here until you get to this menu. Then you gotta go to the wrench. Then you see oil life. Then I think you hold enter. And then it'll reset. Or maybe you hold a different button. I could be wrong. Was I wrong? I was wrong. Maybe you hold this button? No. I might have to consult YouTube.
Probably.
Yeah. Oh, snap. How do you turn that off? Okay, there you go. Shit, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Pretty sure you're just supposed to hold it until it resets, so...
Maybe double click it?
Yep, there it is. I don't know what that is, so we're just gonna do all do items, I guess, at 40,000. Or item A, because it's the only one that comes up. Reset complete. Let's go home. Start the car. Make sure it didn't die because we had to jump the battery there. Go here. Okay, no message came up, so we're good.
Yay.
And that's it. Turn the lights out so that it doesn't die. And